Hi Mom and Dad! We just got in from shoveling some snow and we took some photos. We've made a movie for you. Hope you enjoy it. Here we are, one of the snowfalls in Maryland. Over there are cars. Ridiculous. This is the entrance to our building. So you can see just how high the snow is. Nowhere in sight. Here I am making my way to the parking lot. Oh! Falling along the way. It's very difficult for me to walk. I'm really struggling. You can see the huge heaps of snow, taller than me. Here's a nice car, buried. A little view of land here. Snow. This snowdrift is taller than me. Now, where's Neil? He foolishly came outside without his gloves. People snowing. That's a van.
Miss you.
XOX.